In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track employees' paid sick time in QuickBooks Time. We'll walk through how to monitor balances, usage, and approvals from your desktop, even if you don't use QuickBooks Payroll. By the end, you'll know exactly where to review requests, how to approve or deny them, and how to pull a clean report for record keeping. Start by signing into your QuickBooks Time account on your desktop browser. Once you're in, look to the left-hand menu and click Time Off. This is your hub for all time-off activity. You'll see a table that lists requests with helpful columns, including team member, days off, duration, code, submitted on, and status. Think of this as your command center. Who requested time, what dates they're asking for, how many hours are involved, the type of time off, when they submitted it, and the current status. To narrow the view to just sick time, use the filter for code and select sick. This removes the noise from other policies like vacation or personal time, so you're only looking at the paid sick requests that matter right now. Next, focus on the status column. This tells you which requests are pending, which have been approved, and which are denied. If you see a pending sick time request that needs action, click directly on that request. A simple panel or dialog will let you choose approve or deny. Confirm your choice, and the request updates instantly so both you and the team member have clarity. If your company requires notes, you can add a brief comment to keep a clear record of decisions and timing. When you're ready to look at overall sick time balances, go to Reports and choose Time Off Balances. This report gives you a snapshot of each employee's totals. Use the filter for Time Off policy and select Sick. You'll now see 3 key numbers for each person: accrued sick hours, the hours they've used, and their remaining balance. Accrued hours show what they've earned under your policy. Hours used reflect approved and taken sick time. The remaining balance helps you confirm eligibility and plan coverage. If you need to share or store this data, click Download CSV or Export. A CSV file opens easily in spreadsheet software, which is helpful for payroll coordination or audit trails. Label the file with a date so it's easy to track over time. Make a habit of reviewing requests and balances regularly, weekly or at payroll cutoff, so your records stay accurate and your team has confidence in their available sick time. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.